angidumile kakhulu ngiyacula nje ku-TikTok.
Think you're funny, do ya? Funny.
Hey yo, it's your boy one and only Basitumelo. Nsizwende eshange balemnyama ohloshe ngololo Ntomzi mqomo basanda amagama akashela ngawo. Kungeba nobubuhla kusibo bethu sonke silwane somhlolo esiguquguqwa ongekwaziqonda. Umavula kuvaliwe kufazelwa imlando aseqophi landelana asiqede izibongo izinsizwa. You know what they say, keep on pushing what you are pushing or keep on pushing what I'm pushing. Push it until it's proven. Ricky says do it for the culture and I say do it for people. Today we are in the University of Wits, which is situated in Johannesburg. Ngiseduze la kwasisi omuhle okhazimulayo. Ubuhle bakhe obudlulile abazulwane. Tatwethu asikubingelele sikwamukele ukuthi interview show episode 6.
Yebo sanibona.
Unjani tatwethu?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila nathi. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ngabe ngihleli eduze kwabani lana odume ngani?
UNontokozo wakaNdlovu, angidumile kakhulu ngiyacula nje ku-TikTok.
Kodwa Dwesi la nginembuzo ewu12 engifisa ukukubuza wona engifisa ukuthi ungiphendule nje kuyona ngokuzinikelela nje kuyona.
Ngizophendula.
Alright, so umbuzo wami oqala uthi yini ecika ngabafana?
Get ready.
Engicika ngabafana.
Yebo.
Ukuthi abanye bayawathanda amantombazane futhi badlala ngawo.
Yini bakudlala?
Azi bangidlala.
Phela ngeke ukhulume ngento ongakazwa experience before.
Ngiyababona bedlala ngawo, siyababona uGiyawo.
Alright, so my second question, according to you, kumele kube imalini i-girlfriend allowance?
Here I come.
5,000 a month.
Yabona uthi dakiwe.
Yini yahlangana ekhanda.
A month?
Yes.
We can't afford, we don't have money.
Every boy or umjito osebenzayo.
Iboy ayijoli, indoda ejolayo.
Cha ungichazela umehlo phakathi kwendoda no boy.
Indoda, indoda. Umfana. There's a difference, you know the difference.
What is the difference?
The difference ukuthi indoda is matured, umfana akekho matured.
Mongibuka nje mina ngini.
Uyinsizwa.
Alright, so my third question, ungakhetha ukuthi umuntu wakho ashawe umphakathi noma wena uwine u3 billion?
Here I come.
Mina ngiwin 3 million.
Ungakhetha ukuthi wena uwine u3 million?
Yes.
Umntana wabantu ashawe abulawe?
Hayibo, bungikhethisa nje.
No, like this question is basically asking like ukuthi ungakhethani umphefumulo womuntu nemali?
Imali.
Abantwana la ithanda imali bafethu. Alright, so ngeke ngakuzwa ke ukhuluma about ukuthi uyacula ku TikTok. Besicela nje ukuthi usiphe nje umuco nje omncanyana nje. Sike sile nje ikhono lakho.
Ngiyabhukwa.
No, like mhlawumbe khona le ngoma le ethi she's just a girl and she's on fire. Awukhuphuke nje kayo sizwe nje.
Ngizongithola lapha ku TikTok Nontokozo_Ndlovu 08.
All right. So what has 88 keys but can't open a single door?
A piano.
You make me proudly.
What has 4 letters, sometimes has 9 but never has 5?
Please repeat the question.
What has 4 letters, sometimes has 9 but never has 5?
Ngcono ubuze ngesiZulu. Ngoba ngisakuzwa.
Alright. Imaphi ama-letter awu-4 kodwa abuye abe nawu-9 kodwa akaze abe u-5?
Ngazi. Angazi, kuyavumeleka ukuthi awazi, angithi ungazi. Ngazi.
Right. So, if as a human we are breathing oxygen, when breathing in, what do we breathe out?
Oxygen.
He needs some milk.
You sure? No, it's your answer. You sure?
If we are human and doing what?
If we are a human and when we breathe in, we breathe oxygen, what do we breathe out?
Oxygen.
So, what is the piece of advice you can give to people who are not confidential?
Yeah. Besides being confidential nje, just be confidential. Uzungabi confidential ngobani? Just be confidential.
She's got a point.
Zwile lapho. Be confidential. So, do you go to church?
Yeah.
Who was the father of Jesus?
God.
Who is the father of Jesus?
Mateo.
Imihlolo le. Le is motherfucker lesi.
Ngazi.
Okay. So, what lives longer between a rock and flower?
A rock.
awukhonahali shem.
If la ya abantu bayikha ingabi bikho.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Isitini siyahlala abantu abasicoshi.
Well. Next question.
My last question, what turns everything without moving?
Turns everything without moving.
Yes.
For example?
When I give you an example, I'm giving you an answer.
What turns everything and do what?
What turns everything without moving? Yini egoqula yonke into ngaphandle kokuthi inyakaze?
Goqula yonke into ngaphandle kokuthi inyakaze.
Yes.
You wait.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Alright. So, yini ofisa ukuyisho nje ebantwini nomyalezo ofisa ukudlulisa nje?
Ukuthi ababe confidential. Uthenga ngithi ababe confidential. Ababe confidential beye ungabe confidential.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.
So, can you give a shout out to TM Interview Show?
Shout out to TM Interview Show. It's your girl Nontokozo. Please catch me on TikTok. It's Nontokozo_Ndlovu08. Thank you.
Danko.
You think you're funny, do ya?